Hi there, today we're gonna make a fully responsive Navbar. Let's start. Here is the logo, here is the icon, here is tag, button. Simply you can menu. Now we can duplicate mobile menu. Okay, add a stack, left side. This is we can remove a white background. And simply we can add a container. We're gonna take space between. For container to give the maximum width, we need a parent. Never. For now, on the page, I can give 1440 with content, and inside container, we can now give a fix or fill width and max 1280. Okay, this is we can now space between. There is a one more stack taken for the navlink. Uh, Here's we can take a little bit. We can also give on the top. Uh, we can hide it here, no problem. Okay. This mobile menu we have to take our container. I'm gonna show you when we're gonna make a mobile menu. Now we can hide it. And after this tutorial, you never gonna be a issue in a making mobile menu or total menu. Yeah, it's 1440. Here just need we need to adjust a little bit. Yeah, now it's time for making a mobile menu. The most difficult in making a mobile menu as paging, as we see. Right now, you can hide this simply. This is left side. You can take this fill width and space between an icon which hide. You can now show now simply open. Now already our mobile menu is ready here. Just need a little adjustments. Stay close. Simply, we have to just connect this. Yeah, you can check. Yeah, I'm gonna show you one thing, which is main problem in a mobile menu. We can see. Okay. We have to give same section. Yeah, like this section. Here we give the section, and we have to close when we take in a link on the same page. So we can do one thing here: add a interaction to close variant, goes to close variant, and give a zero point 0.2 delay for to work in a Safari properly. Otherwise, this link on the same page is not gonna work properly in Safari. All interaction. Yeah, you can see we can a tablet view. Yes, we take 1280 as a max width. I can guarantee after watching this video, you never get a problem in making Navbar. Thanks for watching.